think it looks really good. And you can do so much with this hair. It's so versatile. I mean, the separations really do look realistic. I know I'm messing up the hair now, but look at that. You can't even tell. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing this tutorial for you guys. I made this wig, and if you want to see how I made it, let's get started. So this hair is from Sunber hair. The link is in the description bar. It's 100% virgin human hair. And it came with 3 bundles and a closure, but I put a lace frontal with the same kind of hair on top instead because I wanted an ear-to-ear lace closure. I bleached and dyed the knots, and then I created the wig. You guys have seen me create wigs a lot. So if you want a link to how I create a wig, I'll put that in the description bar for you guys. But that's pretty much it. So here's the wig, you guys. I'm gonna pop that on. I'm just adjusting the straps in the back. I really don't need sideburns that long, so I'm gonna cut off a bit of those sideburns. There we go. So then I just pull the wig back a little bit, get my got to be glued. Okay, so the wig is completely down now. Now it's not a 360 wig, so you can't put the hair up, but that's okay. But I haven't even done anything to it yet, and it has so much body. I love this hair. I love this pattern. Look at that. It just looks kind of wild. Well, obviously, because I haven't done it yet, but it's just so pretty. What to do with this hair. So this is what it looks like. It's when I finally actually do the baby hairs and everything, it will look amazing. So now I'm gonna curl this wig and give myself really bouncy, out of control kind of hair. I've now finished curling the hair. I've spritzed it a little bit. I'm gonna just give it some hairspray. You know you need some good old-fashioned hairspray. And then I am going to use some spritz hold as well. And I'm gonna try not to breathe any of this in because I don't want to be getting cancer. So while that's working its magic, I'm gonna leave it to sit there for a little bit, and then I'm gonna do my baby hairs. Quickly grab myself some mousse, one little spray, Okay, and now I'm going to remove all the curlers. So all the curls have popped out now, and as you can see, it's very glamorous. I just have to comb it out, curl it, and then I'll be ready. I'm just gonna pull out these curls now. I'm using a really big comb because I don't want them to come out all the way. Just want a little something. And then for the top, I'm gonna lay it flat with this brush. And then I'm just gonna give myself a nice sort of old world Hollywood glamour swoop. I feel like this should come forward a little more. Am I not giving you Desperate Housewife vibes? This hair definitely looks as glamorous as those women on the Desperate Housewives. It's one of my favourite TV shows actually, including The Good Wife. That's pretty good as well. Pun intended. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's look number 2. I have this habit of playing with the hair a lot, even when I'm happy with it, and then I just end up destroying the look because I keep playing with it. So I'm gonna stop here. This is pretty much the look. I think it looks really good. Bouncy, flowy. And you can do so much with this hair. It's so versatile. I mean, the separations really do look realistic. I know I'm messing up the hair now, but look at that. You can't even tell that it is a lace wig. I think you can even go ahead and put it back, and the hair is holding the curls really, really well. So I mean, you can go ahead and play with it. You can bring it back down again. It just has a lot of body. I'll let you guys know how this hair holds up. But you see most of my wigs again and again and again because I wear them in my vlogs, in my videos, so you know what the hair looks like. And you know that they definitely hold up over time. I can see this one really lasting throughout. Look at that. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So I will chat to you guys in my next one. Bye!